Hi, I'm Theo Bennett, the Director of Analytics and Data Solutions here at MoreVisibility, and welcome to this month's Ask the Expert. This month we're going to talk about referral spam. I'm going to attempt to explain what it is and also tell you how to remove it from your reports in Google Analytics. Referral spam, basically, if you go into your reports and you see stray data, and that data could be, for example, in the behavior section of Google Analytics. If you look at your events and you'll see something like eventtracking.com, go to eventtracking.com to use this feature, or you'll see a spike in data from a website that is not yours. You might see that in the referrals under acquisition and referrals coming from sites that really aren't yours or don't have anything to do with your business. There's a lot of different places that you would see this data. Or it just could be that you don't get a lot of traffic to your site and suddenly you get a big increase. Typically, this is what we call referral spam. And referral spam exists really because of one of the cool features of Universal Analytics, which is the ability to send data from any interaction, even external to your website, to send data into Google Analytics so you can have an end-to-end picture of something happening. Let me give you an example of what I mean by that. If you have a website and also brick and mortar locations, and you have a coupon on your website that someone can download and use in store, you can actually program your point of sale system so that when that coupon was redeemed, it would send in information into Google Analytics, and you would know that coupon was redeemed in store for how much money. And you'd also be able to look at your acquisition reports and see that came from a Google ad that you paid 10 cents for and you got $1,000 in business. It's a very great feature of Google Analytics. Unfortunately, it's being used by spammers to try to get you to come to their website. Like I mentioned before, like eventtracking.com in your event reports. It's very annoying, it's a problem, definitely. So how do we handle this? Unfortunately, there's a lot of bad information online on how to fix this. For example, you might see somebody post information on to go into your admin settings to your property and to add these sites as an ignored referral. That's really not what you want to do. That's just going to turn that into direct traffic. It will make it go away. It's just going to show up as direct traffic now. We don't want that. That's going to pollute your data. Basically, the best practice approach to do this is to always include an include filter in your views for Google Analytics. So basically what this does is you're telling Google Analytics that you only want to see data in your analysis views that come from your website. So if my website or our website is MoreVisibility.com, we're going to set up a filter that tells Google Analytics to only include data that comes from our website, MoreVisibility.com, not from EventTracking.com or Webmasters.org or whatever it is. Anything that doesn't match MoreVisibility.com will get excluded. Of course, if you have a situation where you have multiple websites tracking in a view, you'd want to include both of those hosts, and you want to set up the hostname filter to only include that. For example, if we have our site, MoreVisibility.com, let's say you paid for a seminar or something that we were putting on in the area on checkout.com, you want to include MoreVisibility.com and checkout.com in your filter so that you get all that traffic. And that's really the way that you want to do that. Now, the caveat to that is that you should always have an unfiltered view of your data. So right now, you probably have in your analytics properties, you probably have one view, which is what most people do, that says all website data, which is the default. You want to leave that alone, create another view, include a hostname filter that only includes traffic to your website, and that will eliminate all of that referral spam. So that is the solution to referral spam. Use a hostname filter to include only traffic from your site, and you'll be all set. Happy analyzing. If you have questions about this topic or any other analytics or Google Tag Manager related questions, please email them to us. The address is analytics@morevisibility.com. Thank you.